Hello everyone, I am Snigdha Kakkad and this is my channel AccelerateAICareers. Today I have brought a very interesting LeetCode problem, LeetCode 1268 search suggestion system. Quite relatable in real-time scenarios, and it has been asked in a lot of FAANG interviews in last 0 to 3 months. So it's a very important as well as interesting question. Very easy to sway in the wrong direction for this question. So let's see, what does this question say, which companies have asked it, and how do we solve it. So first of all, the companies which have asked this question are Amazon, Oracle, Salesforce, Google, Microsoft. So it's a pretty important question. Now let's see, what does this question say. So you have been given an array of string products as shown here in example 1, such as this string has mobile, mouse, money pot, monitor, mousepad. And you have also been given a string search word such as mouse here. It could be any word out of these or something different than this. What you have to do is you have to return top 3 matching results every time a character is input during typing of search word. Suppose I'm typing mouse. As soon as I type M, 3 words from the products list should pop up as an inner list. As soon as I type O, then 3 words matching MO should come up. Then MOU. As soon as I type U, 3 words matching MOU should come up. If there are not 3 and less than 3, then those should come up. And as soon as I type the next character and so on. So basically your output which is expected is a list with inner list. And every inner list will have at max top 3 matching words from the products list matching with the typed characters. So that's your entire question. So essentially you are finding top 3 matching words matching the prefixes you are typing. So when you type M, you are searching for characters matching M prefix. When you are typing MO, you are finding words matching MO prefix. So you would say that whenever prefix is involved, there could be more than 3 words which could have the same prefix, like in example 1. In such a scenario, you will have to provide the top 3 lexicographically similar. Basically, if these words within the products list are sorted, then the top 3 in those sorted list. So you will alphabetically sort them first and then you will return the top 3. So that's your final desired output. Now, as soon as you hear the word prefix, you essentially, the idea which comes to your mind is prefix tree or try. So I like to call them prefix tree because it has some meaning. Try is just a word. Yes, of course, this question can be solved using prefix tree, but it's a complex one. I have a better approach here, which is easier to understand, easier to execute, easier to explain to the examiner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first sort my products list given to me. So mobile, mouse, money pot, monitor, mousepad, I have sorted it and it looks somewhat like this. So sorting is your first step. Sorting products list is first step. And this will take O of n log n to sort these list of words. After that, I'm going to take 2 pointers. So I'm going to take a left pointer and a right pointer. My left pointer is going to be at the beginning of this list and my right pointer is going to be at the end of the list. And I'm going to run that 2 pointer approach which we have used endless number of times. And I'm going to move my pointers accordingly if the characters match with the words at left pointer or right pointer. So say suppose if M is typed, as soon as in word mouse M is typed, I will check for my left pointer if the first character is M. And I will check in my right pointer if the first character is M. If both the conditions are met, that means not only just those 2 words, but all the words in between. Since this is alphabetically sorted product list now, all the words in between will also match. So then you will return the top 3 since it's alphabetically sorted. Now, as soon as you type MO, then you will move to the second character in left pointer word and you will check if the left pointer word has MO, it does. And then you will check for right pointer. And then you will return the top 3. Since more than 3 words are there, you will return the top 3. Then MOU. As soon as U is typed, you will check for the third character. You don't need to check for first 2 characters. You will check for the third character and at left pointer word is mobile. So the third character is not U. It doesn't match the situation. So you will increment your left pointer and you will check for next word. And in next one, you will check just for the third character because the first 2 characters already met the condition. So the third character doesn't meet the condition. You will again increment the left pointer. And in the third word monitor, again the condition is not met, the third character is not you. You'll again increment the left pointer. So your left pointer comes here at the fourth word. And here the condition is met. Same for the right pointer. There the condition is met. In case the condition is not met at the right pointer, you will keep on decrementing the right pointer. So you increment the left pointer, but you decrement the right pointer. And that's how you find the words. And you will have to return top 3 words if there are 3 words that exist that meet the condition, or less than those 3 words, howsoever words are present. So that's your entire intuition behind solving this question. And you'll be using 2-pointer approach along with sorting of the products. Your time complexity here would be O of n log n for sorting the products list. Apart from that, you will, in the worst case scenario, you will be traversing through the entire list, and the word length, average word length, I would assume is W. So O of n into W, because you would be traversing through the W, the word length as well in the worst case scenario. And for the word which you are searching, like here I'm searching for mouse word, I'm traversing through that as well. Suppose that word's length is M, so O of M. So round about the time complexity will come to O of n log n, because the rest of the lengths might be lesser than that. So that's your time complexity. You are not using any additional space, so space complexity would be O of 1. Now, if you understand the intuition behind the question, I think we can start coding it. So first of all, I will initialize my result list, which I have to return. And I'll also sort my products, because I haven't been provided this products list already sorted, so I have to sort it. And this will be O of n log n time complexity. Okay. After that, once I've sorted, I will initialize my 2 pointers, left pointer at 0 and my right pointer at length of products -1. So my right pointer would be at the end of the list of the products, and my left pointer would be at the start of the list. Now, once I have done that, I will write a for loop for I in range length of. So what I am searching is search words characters. So I will write for I in range length of search word, and then I will assign the characters. The character would be search word at ith pointer. After that, I will write my while loop. So while left is less than equal to right, that is your left pointer doesn't cross your right pointer. That's how you will ensure that it is traversing the entire products list and there are elements still remaining. It's not like the elements are not remaining. So while L is less than equal to R, the pointers have not crossed, and you will write a exclusion condition where you will mention length of products left pointer. This particular character, this particular length of products L is less than equal to I. If your left pointer products length, say suppose the word mobile would not have been mobile, it would have been just mo, and you're searching for third or fourth character. So that third or fourth character doesn't even exist in that word mo then. So if your length of products either at left pointer or right pointer is less than equal to the character which you are searching for, third character, fourth character, fifth character in the search word. So you will ensure that the length of product which is at the left pointer or right pointer is at least equal to the index you are searching for or greater than. Okay. So or products. So this products L gives you the product at the left pointer and then its ith character. So you will search if its ith character meets your requirements. That is this Li. If so, I'm writing the exclusion. So I'm not writing equal to. I'm writing less than not equal to character C. So if that is the case, that even though left pointer is less than equal to right pointer, that is you have not covered the entire loop, and your length of, but your length, either your length of products N, that is the word mo, length is less than the word which you are searching for mouse, or your character at second pointer or third pointer doesn't meet the character at second or third pointer of your search word. So these are your exclusion conditions. In that case, you will just increment your left pointer because this string does not meet your requirements. Similar way, I'll write a condition for my right pointer as well. So while L is less than equal to R, condition still remains the same, but I'll copy this condition. And instead of left, I would have right. That is, the length of product at right pointer is not equal to or greater than the length of product being searched, and the character at right pointer is also not the character being searched. So if that is the case, I will decrement my right pointer. After that, I will append an empty list to my result to capture the top three words coming up for this particular character type just now. Okay. So once I have done that, I'll calculate the remaining window or remaining number of words, which would be my right pointer minus left pointer plus 1. That is all those words which have the same prefix. So now I will go through this remaining list. So for J in range, and what would be the range? So range could be, I need top 3 words, but the remaining could have more than 3 words. It could have less than 3 words, or it could have 0 words. So my range would be minimum of 3 because I need 3, or remaining. So in case my remaining is just 2, that is I have only 2 words that meet the same prefix criteria, then only those of 2 words will be returned. If I have say 5 words that meet the same criteria, then the top 3 words will be returned. So for range, why top 3? Because the list products is already sorted. So the 3 will be returned since I'm taking the range between minimum of 3 and remaining. So for J in range, minimum of 3 remaining, and I will append it to the last list which I have just initialized here in the result. So last list you get in Python by using -1 pointer. So result -1 dot append, and then I will append the products. And what I'm going to append? I'm going to append left pointer, whatever the product is at left pointer, starting from that, and then 3 words from there in the remaining list. So products left plus J. So first of all, it will get the first word, then second word, and whatever, say if the number of words are only 2 that meet the criteria, then only 2 words. If their number of words are 5 in the criteria, then it will get top 3 words starting from the left pointer. And finally, there is nothing remaining. You can just return the result. This is your entire code. If I've not made any silly errors, it's accepted. Let's submit. So as you can see, our solution is doing really well here. It beats 100% of the solutions. So that's a big achievement for us. Now the time complexity, as I've already told you, would be O of n log n plus O of n into W. In worst case scenario, you will be going through a word length with W length, and n is your number of words in the products list, plus O of m, where m is your length of the word, search word, whatever word you are searching for. So that's your time complexity. Space complexity would be O of 1. If you have any doubts, ask them in the comments here. I'll be happy to address it. If you like my way of solving problems, subscribe to my channel to get your notifications for your daily LeetCode challenge. If you have any important question you want me to take further and solve it for you, mention it in the comments again. Thank you.